Right then, Kyle. 51 is the best you've scored on paper one so far. So let's see how you fare with this one. It's nearer to 40 than 30, so 8740 we'll be looking for there. So you drop the mark on that side. 8,000 is correct. 10's digits of 8, so it's going to be 80 something, and the square number is 9981. 14 is how much he paid, but he's then got to divide that by 10 to get £1.40. So you get 1 mark there for getting the £14, but then you don't do anything with it. 25% is correct. That's correct. That's not a prime number because 11 and 2 go into it. 23 is the right number. 8, 10, 12, 13 for the page. That's right, and that's right. Well done. Cone, octagon, prism is wrong. It's a pyramid. Diameter, that's a tangent. It's not an arc, it's a chord. So 1 there, 7 for the page. That's good, and that's good as well. Well done. 9 for the page. Take a look how I do that on the video clip. That's something you should be able to do, Carl, without too much problem at all. Four is good. Okay, so your points are alright, but you need to join them up then for a conversion graph. So you get your plot right, but your line, you lose a mark because you haven't drawn the line. And 114 is pretty good. So 5 for that page. They get £160, so that's correct. Now what you need to work out is you need to know what the chances of them winning were, and you get that from the information there. The number of chances each time of getting a 1 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 16, because there are 16 possible outcomes. So you've got to work out what 7/16 of 320 are. 48 and 119 is correct. -4, 21 minus 13. So the only one you got wrong there is that shouldn't be a negative, it should be a positive. But that's really good. 6,200 is wrong, because what we're going up with in here, each little one is going to be 2,000 divided by 10. Okay, you go from 0 to 2,000 in 10 jumps is 200. So each little square this way is 200. So that would be 6,400. 2,000 is correct. Negative is correct. Your line of best fit should be a bit steeper than that, I think, because you've got all of those ones there. So I would be looking for a bit of a steeper line than the one that you've drawn. Okay, so I'm saying that's not steep enough. Using your 2.5, 3,200 would be good. So 5, 6, 7, 8 for the page. 2x to the 4 is right, but that's wrong because you need to multiply that as well. So you only get 1 mark for that. 30 is correct. 164 is not divided by 8. No, that's not right. So 3 there. take a look at how I explain that on my video solution. And then with this one, so for your cards, well, the mode is definitely wrong because you haven't got any cards numbered 3, so your mode is wrong. Your median is wrong because those numbers should be ordered below it, and the range is wrong because your range is 7, so you haven't got any marks for that one. Right, so as I said, your best so far is 51, so let's see whether you got anywhere near that. 13, 20, 29, 33, 38, 46, 52, 55. Okay, well that's heading in the right direction. You're about 10 marks off a grade C. But as I said, heading in the right direction. There's still lots of easy marks in there that you're throwing away, that with a bit more practice will come.